My name is Dr. Gerardo Mangino. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in hip and knee replacement. I did training in Mexico City and the United States for hip and knee replacement specifically. We've mastered this technique over the years. Like anything, it takes a little bit of a learning curve, but I think we've mastered it very well. I think we have a very, very good relation with our patients, and we've actually evolved a lot in our techniques and our ways of treating patients and fixing problems that unfortunately some patients abroad cannot get fixed on their countries of origin. We can actually help them get them sorted out here with very good results. Coral Plaza, which is where the hospital is located at, all the facilities are all in one. That means that it's the hospital, a hotel, we have a very good food area, shops, pharmacy, so everything the patient needs is located right here.